It's September the 13th, 2022, and I've had a lot of people ask me about the construction across from the Redland Market on Redland Road, so I thought I would do a little more detailed look at what's going on up in that area of Redland. As you can see, they've cut a road right through the middle of the property that's going to come out on Dozier Road. It's my understanding that there's going to be like a strip shopping center there with a grocery store on one end. See where the road comes out at Dozier Road, and I thought I would just go ahead and, since I'm over there already, fly down to where the Christmas tree farm is and the other construction on Dozier Road. It won't be long. Christmas is right around the corner. Looks like they have a lot of Christmas trees in varying degrees of growth. A lot of activity on Dozier Road. We're coming up on the new subdivision that's going in on Dozier Road. Several houses are completed there. Have several more that are under construction, and with a lot of the lots being developed. Like I said, there's a lot of activity in the Redland community. Anyway, we're going to head back toward the Redland Market. There's the Christmas tree farm, the water tower in the distance. And here's where the road comes out on Dozier Road again. You can see a little more detail there. The water tower at the roundabout. And we're going to come around back towards the Redland Market, and I'm going to take a little swing, a little corner of the Mulder Cove subdivision that's right there adjacent to the property there. Get quite a different perspective on what's going on in the area with the aerial view. And there is a little corner of Mulder Cove. Come around and we're going to swing across Redland Road, and behind the water tower. We actually live in a forested area. Look at all those trees. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.